this one here. Okay, so right, up, right, reverse, up, right, up, up, right. Oh no, kinda messed it up, I guess. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again. Right, up, right, reverse, up, right, up, up, right, reverse. Is this even correct now? Okay. So this is a corner piece, so I'm going to solve this again. Right, up, right, reverse, up, right, up, up, right, reverse. I'm always stuck with this one. Okay, so find the corner piece again and solve it. Right, up, right, reverse, up, right, up, up, right, reverse. No. No! No! Right, up, right, up, right, up, up, right, reverse. Ah! Ah! It's hard. Right, up, right, reverse, up, right, reverse. It's hard. I'm getting angry. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right, reverse. Right, up, right, up, right, reverse. I'm going in circles here. Right, up, right, up, right, reverse. Right, up, right, right, reverse. I'm getting circles. Why am I getting circles? Angry noises. I'm getting angry now. Right, up, right, up, right, reverse. Right, up, right, reverse. Come on! Right, up, right, right, reverse. I'm going in circles. Maybe if you repeat this again and again, you're going to memorize the algorithms now. I'm getting circles. This is so annoying. I'm so annoyed. I'm getting circles. Come on. Come on. Come back to. Why? I'll do it again. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. Right. That took me long. So, yellow side is okay now. White side is also okay. We only have to fix these sides. I'm getting impatient. Okay. So, let me see here. Which sides are correct? Let me just go ahead and check. So I realign this green so that it will be same. Orange, blue, red. So I just have to change these parts. Go ahead and check for the algorithm for that. So A, B, C, D. A and B should be in the right place. Which ones are in the right place? Corner should be right. So I realigned it again so that the corners are correct. So I have A and B so that it will be correct. So this will be my A, B, C, and D. So the algorithm for that will be, I hope I don't mess up. I'm gonna be so sad if I mess up. Right reverse, front, right reverse, back, right, front reverse, right reverse, back, right, front, upper rather. Where are we now? So we're here, we're here, checking out these pieces here. Okay, so this one. Mama is performing. I'm enjoying their performance. Okay, so I have E, F, G, H, which are not correct. They don't have their correct positions, as you can see here. So I can just be able to solve it using this algorithm with E, F, G, H, trying to solve for this 4 to move. I'm trying to move them clockwise or counterclockwise twice. So let's do this. E, F, G, H. Okay, so I'm just gonna do clockwise. So let's do this. Let's do this. Front, up, left, right reverse, front, left reverse, right, up, front. So I was able to move them clockwise. So I just need one more clockwise to be able to solve this, because blue is here, it's supposed to be here. Orange is here, it's supposed to be here. Red is here and supposed to be somewhere else. Here. So we have three pieces that are not correct. So I'm trying to put blue here. So blue here, what kind of clockwise is this? Is clockwise. This is clockwise. This is counterclockwise. So this is clockwise. What am I even doing? Okay, clockwise. So I will be naming these parts as E, F, G. So I'm going to move them clockwise. Front, up, left, right reverse, front, left, right, up, front. Ta-da! So we have now finished solving for this Rubik's Cube using the algorithm. So yeah, you just have to refer to the algorithms for you to solve a Rubik's Cube. Some other people memorize algorithms because if it's me, if I have an exam to solve a Rubik's Cube, you know what I would do? I would just memorize the algorithms. But with other people, it goes by them like naturally. It goes instinct, right? So it's very fun to solve it, but if you're like stuck, it's very hard. So let me just go ahead and read the comments by you guys. Hi, most difficult part of the cube right there. Yes, this is very hard. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 steps for this algorithm. you can memorize the clockwise version or the counterclockwise version and just do them again and again for you to be able to solve it. You'll be able to solve faster soon. Just practice 40 hours a day. Yes, thank you, love PSK. By MZ Costi. Congrats. Oh my gosh, that's a very cute sticker. Mimics the sticker. Yes, love PSK. You if you can do it slowly, you can do it quickly. Akachi Yosoro, new world record. Yes, stonks. I'm not very, I don't know. I'm not gonna dwell too much in the Rubik's Cube because so many people are way better than I am. It's very competitive. So I'm just gonna do a Rubik's Cube for fun, for hobby, not for competition. But you know, most ENTPs, they do it for competition. Like if you give it for that ENTP person, that person would be solve it for the fame, solve it for the achievements. I am ENTP, by the way, so I'm allowed to roast ENTPs. Those debaters out there. Hello. And then what else? Yeah. Even though the number of possible combinations for Rubik's Cube is 43 quintillion, it's still a finite number. So once you put your effort into it, if you love it so much, then just do it. Put all your time and effort on it because it will be worth it. As long as you're happy, you know? Whatever makes you happy. Says here by Scientician, how many people have solved a Rubik's Cube while watching Mama? Yeah, while very distracted with Mama. By the way, Mama is loading, so wait, let me just count the number of people here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's not 17. 17 has 13 members. How many other people can solve it? If I wanna like brag, but no. I'm still stupid, okay? I'm a dumb person. I just learned how to solve it because I referred to the algorithm. But if you like, yeah, if you give me a test on to solve a Rubik's Cube, I would just memorize the algorithms and I'm good to go. But other people, they can do it way better than me. They go by their instinct and they would be like, what? Screw the algorithm. I don't want to memorize that. That's so long. That's too much. Okay. People who can solve Rubik's Cube, wow, kudos to you guys. Kudos. You can do it slowly, you can also do it quickly. My love PSK. Akachi Yosaro. I tried following the algorithm but my Rubik's Cube became a hexagon. Wow! You can bend a Rubik's Cube to become a hexagon. That's craft right there. Skills! Craft skills. It's not sacrilegious by love PSK. Yeah, it's not really sacrilegious. So let me just go and let me just go ahead and read Why We Love Rubik's Cube by 20bedforway.com. 1. Okay, this is parting words. Philosophy by Tanchikon. I have now finished watching Mama because it's loading, and I have now solved this Rubik's Cube on my hand. Why we love Rubik's Cube. Okay. 1. Like us, it's blocky and iconic. Well, whose words are these? Let me just go ahead and cite. I don't know. This is by 20 Bedfordway.com. It's blocky and it's iconic. You know, like pop art. Like whenever I see this Rubik's Cube with white or with black lines, it reminds me of pop art kinda. So it's very iconic. Like us, it's a child of the 70s. I'm not a child of the 70s. Who wrote this? Like us, it can be enjoyed by everyone. Okay, that I can agree to because it's a fun puzzle game. What other puzzle game do you recommend for me to solve on my next stream? So comment down below because we're going to do puzzles. Like, do you have any hobbies that you really like and you want me to try? Comment down. Number 4. Like us, it holds countless hours of entertainment. Yeah, it's entertaining, but also kinda triggering. Like us, it'll keep you coming back for more once you've experienced it. Nah, no thanks. If I have like solved it, I'm good for the day. I don't wanna suffer anymore. Why do you people keep on doing like messing this up? I don't wanna mess it up. It's good like this. Please don't mess it up anymore. Buys a Rubik's Cube just for design purposes and does not even solve it. That's Sako. I just so oh no, I kinda I'm gonna be low, but now I'm 9% now. Thank you very much for watching this live, and I hope you learn a thing or two about Rubik's Cube and about life philosophy on this live. I wanna hear before I go which which puzzles they want me to try next, because I'm thinking for my next live I'm gonna do painting. Yeah, maybe painting, or yeah, maybe reading or painting. Yeah, kinda like that. And I like puzzles too, so maybe Sudoku. Yeah, I can do Sudoku. Because my friend lately has been also liking Sudoku. Sudoku. So I could solve Sudoku and other math stuff. I can also do math stuff because last time I also do a math stream. So that, yeah, I can share techniques with you. But most of the time it's just me staring at a piece of paper. So all of my live will be staring at what I'm doing. Staring at what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh no, my mama stream just stopped. It died. I was just about to suggest Sudoku. Wow! 200 IQ. You have 200 IQ. Love PSK. Maybe, I'm thinking how we're supposed to do it. So, Sudoku, because Sudoku is 9 by 9, so there's 81 blocks. How can I show it without OBS? Without OBS. So, maybe I could just write the puzzle so you can solve with me. Maybe you're faster than me and you could give me tips. Yeah, do you like Sudoku as well? Systems of linear equations. Yeah, because last time with the GRE math stuff, I got stuck with systems of linear equation. I'm not supposed to be stuck. I was not just sure which number to put in there, so it took me a lot of time to solve that question. But whatever thing that you find hard, you have to work on it so that it will not be hard in the future. Do not fear failure, because on failure, you can learn. Experience is the best teacher. Philosophy by Tanchikon. So, let me just screenshot this. How do I screenshot this? I'm going to balance it and screenshot this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ching. Thank you very much for watching this live. I hope you guys have a great evening and have a wonderful week ahead. I hope you guys have eaten your breakfast or your lunch or your dinner, depending on what time zone you are on. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream by Tanchikon, and see you on my next puzzle solving, math solving, and other philosophy or medical or science stuff that I'm going to stream in the future. See you guys! Bye bye! Mata ne!